In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a program that can search for an object on the screen and then click it. So in other words, it's going to be a bot for the aim trainer on the Human Benchmark website. For starters, we need to install 3 libraries. These libraries are going to be pywin32, keyboard, and pyautogui. I'll leave the install commands in the description below. The next step will be to make 5 imports. These imports are going to be pyautogui, win32 API, win32con, keyboard, and time. Next, we're going to declare a variable named start and make it equal to false. We're going to end up using this variable later on. So the first function we're going to be writing is a countdown function that will pretty much delay when the program takes control of our mouse. We're going to be naming this function countdown, and it's going to pass through the variable seconds. In the function, we're going to have a while loop with the condition that seconds is greater than or equal to 1. While it's true, we're going to be printing seconds, we're going to sleep for 1 second, and then we're going to subtract 1 from seconds. When the while loop is done, we're going to be calling the global variable start, and we're going to set it equal to true. We're then going to be calling the countdown function and provide it with any amount of seconds. The choice is really yours. The next function we're going to be writing is the ability to click. We can name this function left click and pass through a variable position. Inside the function, we're going to set the cursor to the X and Y position. We're going to click down the mouse, and then we're going to pick it back up. Finally, we're going to have a while loop that occurs while start is true. In this loop, we're going to make a variable called position that is going to be equal to pyautogui.locateCenter on screen that will contain the path to the image you wish to find on the screen and how confident you wish the program to be with the image. A higher confidence value will require a higher resemblance between the image provided and the image on the screen. Next, we're going to make an if statement that will only trigger if position has a value. If it does, we want to pass it to the left click function. The final thing we need to add is a way to force close the program. This can be done by adding an if statement in our while loop that occurs if the user presses a key. In this case, we're going to be using the key Q, and if it's pressed, we're going to make start equal to false. Now all there is to do is run the program and make sure it works. If you guys have any problems or questions, please ask them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to address them as soon as possible.